Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're just going to do a quick mini project on how to search for files and folders in any directory. So before we start, make sure as always you hit that subscribe button. Thank you very much for doing that and supporting the channel. Okay, we're going to start off with creating a subroutine called search file folder. So that's our first subroutine here. So we're going to print, ask the user to enter full file path that they want to search. Okay, and then we're going to do my scale path equal to standard input. So we're going to grab the input, so they will type in the full path into the input bar here, and then we're going to do chomp scalar path, and then we're going to chdir change directory to that path that they've entered into the input. So we're going to change to that path, so we will be searching that path. Okay, the next one we're going to create an array here called my files, which will contain all the files and folders. And there we go, glob. We're going to use glob to list this. We're not actually going to list it, but we're going to use glob to hold those values. Okay, and then we're going to get some more input from the user. Enter folder slash file to search. Okay, so the user will then just type in the folder that they want to search for or the file that they want to search for. When you're searching for files like txt files, you've got to do it in full. So if the file name is test and you want to search for it, you've got to type in test.txt. We'll be doing this in a few minutes. So there we go, and now we're going to create an input. So that's going to be search, I'm going to call it search, equal to standard input. Okay, we're going to chomp search here. Okay, now we're going to do the little search part of it, and we're going to use grep to do the search here, so to do the matching. So if grep, and then we're going to use the iterator here to iterate over everything, is equal to search in the array of files, and then we're going to print a message to the user telling the user we found the file or folder or we haven't. So the first one is going to be print search found. Else, if we didn't find anything, we're going to have to tell the user that. So else, it's down here and look a bit nicer. Print search not found. Getting a new line character there. Okay, all we have to do now is to call this subroutine. Of course, it's called search file folder, and save it. Okay, I want to just have a look on top of my desktop here, what I'm going to be looking for a file called, I think, a.txt. Let's have a look at that. Let's type in, I want to search my desktop, so I'm going to type in my desktop path. This won't be your desktop path. You will have a unique desktop path, so you're going to have to find this. So it's going to be users desktop. Okay, so we've changed to that, so we've got to enter a file or folder. So I'm going to enter a.txt. I think I've got that file on there. Yep, a.txt found. Okay, I'm going to do this again, and this time I'm going to enter a folder. Now I've got a folder on there. In fact, yeah, we'll do that. You can change this to any directory. So for example, you could do c:/users mark download. So you could change it to that folder if you wanted, but I'm not sure what's in downloads. So I'm just going to search on my desktop, and I know I've got a folder on there called foam, so we'll just make sure that I have users, and it's going to be mark desktop. Okay, folder called foam. Yep, found it. Okay, one last one. Let's search for something that I haven't got. So it's going to be C users mark desktop. Okay, let's search for something that I definitely will not have. .txt. Okay, not found. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that, and I will catch you in another video. Bye-bye.